Welcome to Move 2019, where mobility pioneers from around the world come together to celebrate all that is future transportation. Join Auto Futures for exclusive interviews with CEOs and executives, all from around the world.
I think it's a really positive gathering of different type of people and companies brainstorming in preparation of the future here.
Everybody who's ever been in a car has always imagined that situation where they can just press a button and the car will drive itself. And of course we'd all like that tomorrow, but it will happen, and I think that's the journey we're all on.
I think an event like this brings very, very disparate parties together. I look at this environment and I don't see my direct customer, but what I see is over 3,000 stakeholders that are part of the whole energy ecosystem that we're trying to make sure is fit for purpose.
How do you be the best of the way the game is played today while positioning for the future? How do you actually then manage the transition from your legacy to new battery electric? Because they have to get it right. And if they don't get it right, they'll pretty much be left behind.
The world does need a lot more electrification, and the system is electrifying, and more players coming into the scene and collaborating is only good thing for the industry.